All right, guys, same thing. It's still adding fractions with unlike denominators. However, we are going to add a mixed number with another unlike denominator. Here is our problem. I wrote it down so I don't forget. 2 and 5/6 plus 1/8. How do we tackle this? Well, the same way we would tackle it without a whole number, right? We're still going to look for the factors of 6 and the factors of 8. So factors of 6, 6, 12, 18, 24. This is the same as saying 6 times 1, 6 times 2, 6 times 3, 6 times 4, 6 times 5. Same way, right? We're just going a little bit faster. Factors of 8. 8 times 1 is 8. 16, 24. Oh, winner, winner, chicken dinner. I found what they've got in common. It's 24. So that means we are now going to rewrite these fractions with the denominator of 24. Okay, that's what we are now going to be doing. Let's move this over here and let's get to it. Now, how do we rewrite it? I normally just leave the whole number over here because we're not going to move it. It's not going to change. It's still going to be 2. So let's only focus on this, right? So now, 6 times what is 24? That's going to be 4, okay? And so we are, oh, hold on, let me make this very, very clear. 6 times 4. And that means what we do to the top, what we do to the bottom, we have to do to the top. So 24. Why are we caring about it being 24? Because that is the least common multiple. That's what our denominator has to be. So then that's where we got our 4. And so now 5 times 4 is 20. So this new fraction over here is now going to be 2 and 20/24. That's our new guy. All right. Now we need to figure out this 1/8. Okay. However, we see that 8 times 1, 2, 3 is 24. So we have 1/8. And then we have 8 times 3. We got to do the same to the top. So we've got 24. Why? That's a multiplication sign, guys, okay? 8 times 3 is 24. So, but 1 times 3 is 3. So we just rewrote this guy. Now, what are we adding up now? We are now over here adding 2 and 20/24 plus 3/24. Same thing here, you guys. Leave the denominator alone. And we're going to also leave the whole number alone. 2 here. And now all we're going to focus on is the numerator. 20 plus 3. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. There is your answer. It is 2 and 23/24. It's a pretty convoluted one, but I wanted to do it just so we can see exactly how to do this with a whole number. Now you know, knowing is half the battle.